product page, and we added the recently viewed sections here, but we can place it anywhere on the site like home page or other section at the sidebar or any other sections, because it is the query loop provider of the bricks builder, and this template is created with the bricks. So it is totally flexible and we can create this section on the page. So we need these three things for this. One is the bricks, another one is the SureCart add-on, and our custom add-on Sure Bricks. Here I created a template with the bricks builder. This is the single product template of the SureCart. Here is the condition sure product and type is SureCart single product. Here is our layout built with the bricks builder. I take a section and under the section I put the element condition has recently viewed equal to true. Here I add a block element and ran a loop. We created a custom query loop provider Sure Bricks, and under this Sure Bricks we added a recently viewed product type query type and set the post per page. Then we put the SureCart's product cart element inside the query loop provider and made the design. We can customize it as per your design. So this is the element I added inside the loop and created the layout. This is the basic setup for the SureCart. So when I visiting the single product page and it is tracking the product ID, and based on the ID we created the recently viewed product sections on the site.